Alright, Tango Ruckus, I'll be back, alright? I'm gonna go to the store real quick, so you guys behave, alright?
Okay, just bring back some snacks while you're gone.
I got you, my boy. Alright, I'll be back. What the heck? Yo! Why y'all making that noise? What are you talking about? That wasn't us.
Yeah, man, you bugging.
Okay. I'll be back, yo. Oh, come on. Really? Yo! What now, man? Tell me you guys weren't just making that noise. No, that wasn't us, I swear.
Yeah, man, you wildin'.
You know what? I got a solution for y'all. Hold on. There, problem solved. Now, I'll be back and you guys won't make any noise, right?
Told you it wasn't us.